Hello friends, today in this English grammar lesson we are going to learn chapter 36, understanding adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are special words that give us extra information about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. They explain how something happens, when it happens, where it happens, how often it happens, to what extent or degree something happens. Here I have table explaining adverbs. She sings beautifully. How? Beautifully. Verb. Sings verb. They arrived early. When? Early. Here verb is arrived. We live nearby. Where? Nearby. Verb is live. He always helps his friends often. Always. So verb is helps here. The test was very difficult. To what extent? Very. Difficult is adjective. So adverb describe more clearly verbs and adjectives. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. How an action is done. These adverbs describe the way or style in which something happens. They usually answer the question how. Common adverbs of manner. Quickly, slowly, carefully, easily, loudly, happily, boldly. Here we have examples using these adverbs of manner. She drives carefully on busy roads. The children played happily in the park. He answered the question confidently. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Note, adverbs of manner typically come after the main verb or after the object if there is one. Examples: he speaks clearly, he writes neatly in his notebook. Adverbs of time. When an action happens, these adverbs tell us when something takes place. Common adverbs of time: now, then, soon, yesterday, today, tomorrow, recently, already, lately. Examples: I will call you tomorrow. She finished her homework early. They arrived recently from London. We are leaving now. Placement. Adverbs of time can appear at the beginning, middle or end of a sentence for emphasis. Yesterday I went to the market. I will soon finish the project. She has already left today. Adverbs of place. Where an action happens, these adverbs tell us where something happens. Common adverbs of place: here, there, everywhere, nowhere, outside, inside, nearby, upstairs. Examples: please come here. The kids are playing outside. I looked everywhere for my keys. They live nearby. Number 4, adverbs of frequency. How often an action happens. These adverbs explain how often something occurs. Common adverbs of frequency: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never. Examples: she always drinks coffee in the morning. They sometimes go to the cinema. I never smoke cigarette. He rarely arrives late. Position: usually placed before the main verb but after the verb to be. Examples: he often travels abroad. They are usually on time. Adverbs of degree. To what extent or how much. These adverbs tell us how much or to what extent something happens. Common adverbs of degree: very, quite, almost, too, enough, extremely, just, hardly, nearly. Examples: the movie was very interesting. She is almost ready to leave. It's too cold to go outside. I can't hear you clearly because it's too noisy. Now these all highlighted bold letters are adverbs used here in common adverbs of degree. Adverbs examples: he is extremely talented. She sings very beautifully. Here we have more other types of important adverbs. Interrogative adverbs used to ask questions about time, place, manner or reason. Examples: when will you arrive? Where did you go? Why are you late? How did you solve the problem? Relative adverbs introduce clauses that add extra information. Examples: that is the house where I was born. Do you remember the time when we met? I don't know the reason why he left early. How are adverbs formed? Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Quick, quickly, slow, slowly, careful, carefully, happy, happily. Exceptions: some adverbs do not end with ly and look exactly like adjectives. Here we have adjectives and adverb: good, adjective, adverb: well, fast, adjective, adverb: fast again, hard, adjective, hard, adverb. Here we have these adverbs in Example sentences: she did the job well, he runs fast, he works hard every day. They look like adjectives, but they are actually defining verbs here, so that's why they are adverbs. Where to place adverbs in a sentence? Here we have used before the main verb, position, example, and notes. Before the main verb, she always reads before bed, common for frequency adverbs. After the verb, he drives carefully, common for manner adverbs. After the object, she wrote the letter quickly, manner adverbs often placed here. Beginning of sentence, sometimes I go to the gym, adds emphasis. End of sentence, I will call you later, common for time, place adverbs. Comparing adverbs. Some adverbs can change form to show comparison, just like adjectives: fast, faster, fastest, soon, sooner, soonest. Positive, comparative, superlative adverbs: carefully, more carefully, most carefully, beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Examples: she runs fast, she runs faster than her brother, she runs the fastest in the class. He sings beautifully, he sings more beautifully than anyone else, he sings the most beautifully of all. Identify the adverb and its type. The children played happily in the garden. I will arrive soon. They live nearby. She always does her homework. The water is very cold today. So you have to identify which is adverb of time, place, manner, etc. And here you have answer key as well below for above, like happily is manner, soon is time adverb, nearby is place adverb, always is frequency adverb, very is degree adverb. Practice exercises: fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. You have given the class, manner, time, place, frequency, degree, so you have to put them here in these blanks. To do this exercise, you have to rewrite them and put them in the right sequence where to put these adverbs. Now summary: adverbs give extra information about actions, qualities, or other adverbs. They answer questions like how, when, where, how often, and to what extent. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly, with some important exceptions. Adverbs can appear in different parts of the sentence depending on their type. Many adverbs can be compared by changing their form or using more, most. Thank you very much. See you in the next chapter.